This is amazing. Now you can find your dream job using AI. We are going to create AI agents who are going to search job for you. We have job searcher agent, skills development advisor, interview preparation coach, and career advisor. Based on the list of job searcher finds on the internet, the skills development agent will list all the skills required. The interview preparation coach will list all the points required for interview preparation. And finally, the career advisor is going to give you a recommendation on how your profile should look like. So once after we create agents, we are going to create job search tool and assign that to agents. And finally, we are going to make all the agents work together in group. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about job search using CrewAI. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to create all these agents and create the tools required and finally make them work together. As a final output, we are going to get a report like this, which is more detailed. This lists the jobs identified, then it lists the skills required, it lists the courses to achieve those skills, then it prepares us for the interview by asking questions such as how do you approach integrating diverse OMIC datasets. This question is more in line with the job role that has been identified. Similarly, for each job role, you have a list of mock questions, feedback areas. Finally, you get a resume building guidance, optimizing LinkedIn profiles, and other things. This is more detail. Before looking into this, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel, so do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button so this video can be helpful for many others like you. First, pip install CrewAI, LangChain, OpenAI, and then click enter. Next, export your OpenAI API key like this and then click enter. Next, we are using Adzuna API to get job data. You can integrate your own API based on your requirement. You need to generate your API key and app ID from this interface. Next, export your Adzuna API key and then app ID like this and then click enter. Now let's create a file called app.py and then let's open it. First, from CrewAI, import agent, task, crew, and process. Next, import chat OpenAI, tool, task output. Now import JSON, request, and OS. Define chat OpenAI and initiate the GPT-4 turbo preview model. So the first step, we are going to create a tool, job search tool, then assign that to an agent. So the name is called job search tools, at tool, job search tool, def search jobs input underscore JSON, and creating a function. So this function get the job role, the location, and the number of results, and accordingly it's using Adzuna app key and Adzuna API key to retrieve the list of jobs. And finally, we are combining all the jobs in job listings and returning it to the large language model. So this tool search for jobs in a particular location and return the result to the agent. Now we are going to define callback function. This is used to save the output in a file. Now we are ready to create agents. So the first, job seeker agent, who is going to search for jobs and use the job search tool. Next, the skills development agent. This agent is going through every single job we identified in the previous step and list all the required skills. Then it provides guidance and advice on how to achieve those skills. So the next agent is interview preparation agent. So this agent is going to identify the list of possible questions that can be asked and list all those questions. Finally, we're going to create career advice agent. This agent will go through all the job listings and give you guidance on how your resume should look like. Finally, we are going to define tasks for your agents. So as shown here, first we created agents. Now we are going to create tasks. Finally, we'll make them work together. So the first is job search task. It is going to search for current job openings for senior data scientist using the job search tool. Find 5 vacant positions in total. You can even increase this number if you want to search for more openings. Then emphasize the key skills required. The tool accepts input in JSON format with the following schema. I'm passing the JSON request because currently CrewAI supports only one input in the tool. I hope it'll extend this further soon with multiple inputs. So once that is implemented, we don't need to pass it as a JSON. We can pass it as an individual input. Now skills, highlighting task. So it's identifying the skills, provide recommendations on how candidates can acquire or improve these skills, and assigning that to skills development agent. So the callback function is added at each step so that the output is stored in a file. Next, interview preparation task. This task is to prepare for the interview and is assigned to the interview preparation coach. Next, career advisory task assigned to career advisor. Finally, we're going to set up the crew, make them work together and initiate. So job search crew equals crew, and assigning the list of agents, list of tasks, processes hierarchy, and manager large language model is the LLM which we are going to use. Now we are going to initiate the crew with job search crew.kickoff function. Next, we are going to print the crew result. That's it. So this is very simple. We created one search tool to search for jobs. Assign that search tool to the job searcher agent. Totally, we created 4 agents, then assign tasks to those agents, and finally we run the crew and print the results. Now I'm going to run this code. In your terminal, python app.py, and then click enter. Now the process starting, I can see it's using a tool. It gave the role, which is senior data scientist. Location is New York. Number of results 5. That is then passed to the tool. The tool used the API and extracted all the job listings which are more current, and here it's listing it one by one up to 5. Next, the skills advisor is identifying the skills required for each individual job, and it's listed here. Integrating and analyzing datasets, high growth industry knowledge, applied data science experience, machine learning. You can see these data is getting stored in task output.txt. Next, it's going to the interview preparation coach. So for each role, the interview preparation coach is going to list the skills required and mock interview plan. Now it's going to the career advisor, and the advisor is going to tell you what you need to change in your CV or profile. For example, for this role, highlight expertise in integrating and analyzing multi-omic datasets. Include projects or roles where you've worked with these types of data. Mention specific tools, techniques used, such as, and more details. It's a preparation for each individual job role which the agent identified. This is very in-depth. Finally, I can see that it got saved in task output.txt. So here is the task output.txt, and it contains all the information what we gone through just now in the terminal. So you can just go through this step by step, understand and apply to your job role so that you can land on your dream job. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to create more videos similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.